Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the sunroof in your BMW E46. Alright, so you're probably wondering, how do I use the sunroof? I'm new to this car, what do I do? Where's my sunroof button? Alright, so first of all, you have some controls up here, guys. You have your lights, alright, and then you have this button over here. This is your sunroof, okay? So, to start off, I'm going to put my key in the ignition and turn it into position 2, just for the purposes of testing the sunroof, alright? And now what I'm going to do to open the sunroof, I just push this button backwards, and you will see that this opens up. Okay, that opens up. Now to close the sunroof, I push that forward and it will automatically close. But mine does not, because mine is shit. So I hold it. If it doesn't close, hold it forward, guys. If it doesn't close, just hold it forward. Now, there's another little setting, guys. And a lot of people don't actually realize this. In fact, I myself didn't figure it out for a little while, because I guess I'm an idiot at times. And that's okay. It's okay to be an idiot, guys. Like, you know, that is why we have these videos, so that way we can learn. All right, because sometimes we just don't know any better, and that's okay. It's completely fine. But now there's another cool little setting, and I just push this up like this. I just push this button and this will pop up. I have to hold it, so I just hold that up like that and it pushes the sunroof up. So it'll give you a little bit of a gap. And, you know, from a distance, it actually looks really cool when you look at your car and your sunroof is slightly popped up. But to close that, you just want to do this and hold it in, and that will close. And now, when you want to get the cover, you can just pop that closed. Now, again, mine is shit, but you get the gist. Open it. If you want to have that sunlight come in, you can just use that to slide it. Okay, so that is how to use your sunroof buttons, guys. All right, that is how it's done. All right, so I'll see you guys next video. Thank you for watching.